Whenever we harvest tomatoes from our garden, we usually find three types. The first type is the tomatoes we store for future use. The second type is the tomatoes we use immediately because they cannot be stored. And the third type is the tomatoes that have gone bad. These bad tomatoes may have ripened too much or been attacked by pests. Instead of throwing these bad tomatoes away, we have decided to make a special liquid fertilizer out of them to feed our tomato plants. To make this fertilizer, we start by taking the bad tomatoes and removing any pest or diseased parts. Then, we put them in a blender and add a glass of water. This helps in making a smooth tomato juice. Once the tomato juice is ready, we take 1 liter of it and pour it into a larger container. To this, we add 10 liters of water. To make the fertilizer even stronger, we then add 10 liters of compost tea. Compost tea is a nutrient-rich solution made from steeping compost in water, which is very beneficial for plants. After adding the compost tea, we mix everything well. The fertilizer is now ready to use immediately. However, if we let it sit for 24 hours, it becomes an even better fertilizer as the nutrients have more time to mix and develop. We can now use this special liquid fertilizer to feed our tomato plants and seedlings. This homemade fertilizer is great for several reasons. Firstly, it recycles waste. Instead of throwing away bad tomatoes, we are turning them into something useful. This reduces waste and makes our gardening more sustainable. Secondly, the fertilizer is packed with nutrients. Tomatoes contain various vitamins and minerals, and when these are broken down in the juice and mixed with compost tea, they create a nutrient-rich solution that is perfect for tomato plants. The compost tea adds extra nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that help improve soil health and plant growth. Using this fertilizer helps our tomato plants grow stronger and healthier. The nutrients in the fertilizer promote better root development, improve the plant's resistance to diseases, and can even lead to better fruit production. Moreover, since this fertilizer is made from natural ingredients, it is eco-friendly and safe for the environment. It does not contain any harmful chemicals that could damage the soil or water supply. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.